Box breathing is one of the most powerful breathwork tools for helping you to focus the mind. In this video, I'm going to be using my Oxa device and an Oxa guided meditation to show you how I use box breathing to calm my body and focus my mind.
Close your eyes and listen to the music. The breathing guide shows you when to breathe in, when to hold your breath, and when to breathe out. Now, follow the guide as we walk you through 10 cycles of box breathing. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out and hold. And again.
Box breathing is one of my favorite breathwork techniques. Whether I'm waiting for a train, stuck in traffic, or preparing for a big meeting, a few cycles of box breathing relaxes my body and focuses my mind. And that's the beauty of box breathing. It's so easy and simple to perform, yet can have such a profound, positive and calming effect on our nervous systems. My favourite part about using my Oxa device is I can visually see the effects breathwork is having on my vitals. As you can see, I'm relaxed throughout the session. My heart rate has reduced from 69 beats per minute to around 57 beats per minute on average. My heart rate variability is relaxed, and I've managed to reduce my breathing rate from 17 breaths per minute to around 9 breaths per minute, focusing my mind and calming my body.